Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media channels. I talk all things reselling, whether that be online as well as in person. So be sure if you're over here on YouTube, you do hit that subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, you do hit that follow button. I have a ton of content reselling related as well as health and family, all that kind of stuff on different platforms. So be sure you do look me up on like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it. I have different stuff on every platform, but today is actually another part of my palette unboxing. So I've already, I already did one for you guys, but this is another one that we haven't opened. And then I have some more coming where my daughter did the unboxings for me, my oldest daughter. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to do a voiceover for those ones, but I'm just really happy and excited that she wants to help her mama out. And there's a surprise in one of those videos. So if you were ever wondering, should I buy from this company or should I not? Make sure you are following this series because I came into a bit of a hiccup, but more it was like a roadblock. It wasn't just a little hiccup. It was pretty big in one of these boxes. So if you want to find out what that was, be sure you keep tuning in. That will be in one of the unboxings that she does. So I'm just really thankful that I was around to chaperone as well, so I could coach her through what to do with that box. And I make it sound really bad. I actually reached out to the company. That's why it took me so long to get these videos out for you guys. I reached out to the company and I kind of waited for a resolution before continuing, just because I didn't want to put out any kind of bad or ill content without trying to let them make it right for me. So yeah, stay tuned, and I feel like I'm really sorry for dragging that out, but yeah, a lot of cool stuff coming. And if you're ever wondering, well, what happens if this happens during a palette unboxing? Well, there's something major that you're going to want to know, and you're going to know what I did to make it right on my end, to get it right. Because money is money, and I'm sorry, but one full box is one full box. Alright. So, I guess I didn't really say. This is a 600 drugstore, like, small electronic type stuff returns pallets or pulls. It could be returns, it could be pulls, whichever. But yeah, I've already gotten a ton of these little confetti things, but I really thought, like, being the price I paid, I was thinking that I was only going to get like teeny tiny stuff. So I was like, I'm going to get entire box full of like balloons or confetti or something like this. And it's like a quarter. Like at a garage sale, you can't really price those up. Now I could bundle them up and sell it online or whatever, but hold on, let me bend this box so it doesn't keep opening. All right, so this is the first. I didn't get batteries in I don't think I got batteries in any of the other boxes. But, I mean, some of them can be worth some money a little bit if you lot them up. I don't really sell batteries, but definitely could put them in a garage sale. Somebody could want them. And this is just tons of that birthday stuff and batteries. Birthday and batteries. BB. More of the batteries. I honestly thought I was going to get a ton of these masks too. So I was like, please no. Just because they're everywhere now. They're literally on sale everywhere because of, you know, the pandemic and not needing them anymore. So there's more of those masks, more of the confetti. Oh, they put another one of these. So stay alert of what this is when you're watching my other videos, and let me know if you figure out what I'm pointing at this one for specifically. But that's just basically some kind of cleaner. Yeah. Oh, cool. Pink Himalayan salt. This will be mine. Save me a little bit of money when I run out of my salts. Alright, I got a ton of these already in my other boxes, so this is nice. For the price that I paid, these go for about $30 to $40 in free shipping. And so it's about to be summer. It's about to be summer now, so it's perfect time for them. And they're all new in the package, so little of them might be busted up, but other than that, they're good. Some earbuds. These won't go for very much, but Again, even if I just have like a garage sale, it's gonna do really well. Okay, these are another one that I was like, please don't be in this palette. Like, no. And there was a ton of these like UV sanitizing wands. Okay guys, I'm back. All right, we have a travel humidifier, which I've already gotten a few of those, but not the same kind. It looks like a pop-up camera. So one of those probably as seen on TV type things. It says cop cam. Did I say pop-up? I guess this is cop cam. Why did I say pop-up camera? I'm seeing things. All right, a projector. So I guess it's like a wooden or cardboard box, and then you can make it into a projector. There was another one of these in another lot that my daughter actually did. A solar light, roach killer. I'm sure at a garage sale, a lot of this stuff will do super well. Some more of that roach killer and some confetti. UV light. Go girl. Don't take life sitting down. To go toilet paper. Pull. So I don't know if that's like a gag gift or what. I've never seen that. I think I already showed you that, but UV light. Hopefully those sell, but I don't have a lot of hope for it. All right, avocado Christmas type dog sweaters. Cute. Pop band, so a headband, some more batteries, some Christmas hooks, more dog outfits, which I think that I'll have no issue selling those. More masks, headbands, masks, headbands and masks. I'm gonna put those down there. Halogen light bulb. So yeah, I mean, like literally anything can be in these. That's what's cool about them. But I was also nervous because I was like, oh goodness. Okay, so it looks like there is going to be a ton of these. So these leggings, hopefully they're not all the same size. That's medium, medium, extra large. All right, so lots of mediums. Large, large, large and medium, and extra, extra large. Okay, so there's a variety in sizes. That's not bad. I mean, it may take me forever if I sell them online, but, you know, I'm probably going to sell them locally, to be honest. There's another one of those. Jumbo permanent marker, blue. Hopefully they're not dried out. Another one of those cleaning scrubbing products. A massage gun. I love these. I actually have one for myself. I got one for my dad, and my mom has one. Some more batteries, more confetti, masks. Oh my goodness, this one has a lot more of little stuff. But the other ones didn't, so I mean, it's not horrible. Some wipes, facial wipes. More dog outfits. Another light bulb. Some of those light bulbs too can be worth some money. Alright, so this is like an exercise game, so this is actually kind of cool. I mean, I think that would be fun to do with like your kids, or maybe even couples. Like if you're not sure what to do, that'll be fun. Like you guys want to start exercising but don't know what, fun to do together. Alright, some kind of weight exercise band. Another one of these. It's probably gonna be like a $1 item, honestly. A rolling thing. This is awesome for abs. I've used one of those. It works really good. Double cup holder and attachable tray. Oh, cool. So it goes in the car, and you can have some kind of tray. That's kind of nice, though, honestly. We may keep that for the kids. All right, what we got here? Foot massage cushion. That's kind of cool. And some briefs. All right, guys. Oh, wait, hold on. one more thing of batteries, so I made sure I get to show you that. Alright, so that was it for this box. It was decent. Again, decent. There was lots of little stuff. Some of those UV lights and the face masks and stuff like that are not going to be fun to sell. But honestly, everything else is decent. So I'm pretty excited to have a garage sale and also list some of this online. So stay tuned if you want to see more of the unboxing. Stay tuned and let me know in the comment section if you want to know what I'm selling and where I'm selling it at. I have another pallet coming of graphic t-shirts, and then I'm gonna order one more pallet. I haven't really decided if I want to do like Amazon returns or if I want to do bed and home decor. So I plan to have like an epic garage sale. So anything extra off of these pallets that I'm not going to be listing online is going to go into the garage sale. So I'm just trying to decide. I want a variety of stuff. So I definitely think I'm probably going to do home and bedding decor. But I don't know. Stay tuned and let me know what you want to see. Have an amazing day, and thank you for watching.